So is Netflix on our HiSense Fire TV either not opening, crashing if it does, or stuck on the logo forever, even showing a black screen when you try to open it, or throwing different types of connection error? Well, don't worry, the fix is much simpler than you think. Let's go ahead and see. Now, first we're going to start with the basic and most useful troubleshoot, and that is cold boot. Just unplug the TV from the power source, wait about, 3 to 5 minutes, and then just go plug it back in. Now, if that didn't work, now you got to check the internet connection. Now, the telltale sign is if your home screen is loading or not. If it's loading, the internet is working fine. Even if it's working, you can just select settings, and from there, choose network. Just highlight the Wi-Fi network you're currently using, and then just go ahead and press the menu button. Make sure you got the Wi-Fi credentials. Then press the select or OK button on your remote to confirm that you want to forget the network. And after that, just go ahead, re-add or reconnect with your Wi-Fi network once again. Now, let's say the network is working, home screen and other apps that require internet connection are running without any issues, but Netflix is still not working. Now, we're gonna go ahead clear the stored cache and cookies. So for that, let's go to settings, then swipe through the application section, and we're gonna select manage installed applications. Here, just scroll through this list of apps and system apps and find out Netflix. Enter the app, and from here, select clear cache. Now, if Netflix is still not working, you can uninstall the app from the TV. Just make sure you have all the Netflix sign-in or login credentials. From your home screen or app library, just find Netflix, highlight the app with the remote, press on the menu button on the remote, and you can uninstall the app from the TV. And after that, just go ahead and reinstall Netflix from App Store once again. Just go ahead, sign in, and check if the problem is solved. Now, in 90% of cases, one of these steps should fix the problem. If it still doesn't work, now it's time to reconsider if any payment is due or everything is set. And the second thing you can check is whether Netflix is experiencing a temporary server issue. Open the Silk browser and search for whether the Netflix server is down. Just go ahead, open the first link. And in case if you were seeing any spikes in server outage or reported problems, just wait it out for a couple of hours and then just try again later. And one of the process should definitely solve the problem. That's all for today. See you at the next one.